Hi guys, just wanted to make a video on how to waterproof your DIY electric skateboard. You can use neoprene, alright? This also dampens the ride so you won't have like vibrations. Like a board that like Vestar doesn't have neoprene and I can hear it like shaking when I hit something. So I always use neoprene. It's great. This is a great material. So I just basically making it I just drew the line around my battery box, and then I'm going to cut that out and put that in there. This will also hold the battery pack and everything sort of in place. It's a real good material if it's hitting the top of it. It's absolutely must. Neoprene, really love this stuff. Also makes it waterproof. So definitely put that on there on all your DIY electric skateboards. I'm almost done putting back my Icebox skateboard. But it's definitely, this is just without the actual icebox on there. And I might actually take some of these risers out. I have way too many. I know. Yeah, I'm almost done. And I got the new battery pack ready. I got the ESC. I've got an ESC off my old board that I'm going to use. Have a great day.